How to post long videos on Facebook Story. First, open the Facebook app and tap Create Story at the top of your home feed. Next, select Manage, and then Long Video you want to upload from your gallery. And tap Done. It automatically appears on Create Story, then select the videos. If your video is longer than the maximum story length, Facebook may automatically split it into multiple story segments on supported app versions. If this happens, simply continue with the upload and let Facebook process each part. If your version of Facebook doesn't split the video automatically, you'll need to trim the video into shorter clips using your phone's built-in video editor or a video editing app, then upload each clip in order to create one continuous story. Before posting, you can add text, stickers, music, or other effects if you like. Then tap Share to Story to publish it. Keep in mind that Facebook's maximum story length and supported features can change over time, so using the latest version of the app gives you the best experience. That's it. You've learned the easiest way to post long videos on Facebook Story. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Facebook tips, social media tutorials, and easy tech guides.